Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television with a model number TC-either 55 or 65 FX600. I'll put those model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you can do this, there's two ways to do it, either via the setup menu or via the physical buttons. But first of all, there's two reasons you might want to do this. I'll go over both of the ways you do it in a second. The first reason is troubleshooting. If like the screen's not coming on, or it's not responding, or it's not working right, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Or if you're just trying to get this set up as a new TV, you just want to wipe everything off of it, we can go ahead and do that real easily. Now if you've got access to the screen and everything's working with the controller, you can just hit menu on the remote and then select setup, then system, then factory default, and hit OK each time, and then you're just going to hit yes to confirm. So setup, system, factory default, yes. But if you need to use the physical buttons, it does need to be able to get power on, because you do need to have your TV powered on, but you're just going to find the volume down button on your TV and press and hold it, and then the menu button on the controller, which is just below the power button, and press and hold the menu button and that volume down button on the TV simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. After that more than 5 seconds is up, you can just go ahead and unplug the TV and then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in, turn it back on, and it will automatically go through a reset and then go back into its setup mode.